La danse, dancing. L'athlétisme, athletics. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see the vocabulary of sports. So let's start. But before we look at the list of sports, let's recap some important rules in regards to the articles. When the verb faire, to do, is used in a sentence with a sport or an activity, we have to use the partitive articles. And remember, partitive articles are du, de la, de L', and des. So I can say je fais du foot or je fais du basket. But when the verb jouer, to play, is used, we have to use the contracted articles. Contracted articles are au, à la, à L', and au. So I can say je joue au foot or je joue au basket. Now, note that in French, when it comes to sports, we prefer to use the verb faire, to do. Many sports can't be played. Sports with a ball can of course be played, for example, but judo, skiing, swimming, and many others can't. Of course, when the sport can't be played, we must use faire. The verb jouer is used when we are actually playing, so in the middle of a game or if we are going to play very soon. Which means that when it comes to sports, only the verb in the sentence will determine the choice of the article, either partitive or contracted. Now let's see a list of sports. Le foot, football. French use foot as if we were to fully pronounce football, we would say football. And some people actually do. Le basket, basketball, and same as for football. Le volley, volleyball, and here is the same as for football and basketball. Le hockey, hockey. Le badminton, badminton. Le tennis, tennis. Le handball. And if we were to pronounce the full word, we would say handball. Le tennis de table, table tennis. Or you can also use le ping-pong. La plongée sous-marine, scuba diving. La natation, swimming. L'équitation, horse riding. And this is a feminine word. Le ski, skiing. Le surf, surfing. Le snowboard, snowboarding. Le judo, judo. Le karaté, karate. L'escalade, climbing. La randonnée, hiking. Le cyclisme, cycling. And this is the sport. If you want to say cycling for leisure, use faire du vélo. La danse, dancing. L'athlétisme, athletics. And this is a masculine word. Le rugby, rugby. La planche à voile, windsurfing. La course à pied, running. L'aviron, rowing. And this is a masculine word. And finally, les arts martiaux, martial arts. And this is actually, again, a masculine word. As you have heard, many are similar to English. That's it for the sports. I hope you have enjoyed this video. À bientôt!